nyuma yo gutangazwa ko ari we watsindiye amatora yo kuyobora igihugu cya Tanzania, Madamu Samia Suluhu Hassan agiye kurahira. Akaba araza kurahira atari imbere y'abanyatanzania. Mu gitondo cyo kuri uwa gatandatu nibwo ukuriye INEC cyangwa komisiyo y'amatora mu gihugu cya Tanzania, Jacob Mwambegele, yatangaje ati: "Ndatangaje ko Samia Suluhu Hassan ari we mukuru w'igihugu yatorewe kuyobora igihugu cya Tanzania avuye mu ishyaka CCM." Biteganyijwe ko perezida wa Tanzania Samia Suluhu Hassan arahirira kuyobora manda ya kabiri igihugu cya Tanzania kuri uyu wa mbere. Akaba ararahirira i Dodoma nk'uko byaciye kuri televiziyo y'igihugu TBS mu itangazo. Ibi birori bikaza kubera ku kibuga cya gisirikare. Abanyatanzania bakaba batitemerewe kwitabira ibyo birori. Televiziyo ya TBS niyo iza kwerekana uwo muhango uraza kubera i Dodoma. Mu bakuru b'ibihugu bitezwe kuza kwitabira ibyo birori harimo perezida w'u Burundi Bwana Evariste Ndayishimiye. Nk'uko biri mu itangazo rigenewe abanyamakuru ryashyizwe hanze na leta y'u Burundi rivuga ko Bwana Evariste Ndayishimiye afite uruzinduko mu gihugu cy'abaturanyi cya Tanzania kwitabira umuhango w'irahira rya perezida. Irahira kandi riraza kwitabirwa na perezida w'igihugu cya Repubulika Iharanira Demokarasi ya Kongo, Bwana Felix Tshisekedi. Komisiyo ishinzwe gutegura amatora mu gihugu cya Tanzania, INEC, yatangaje ko mu bandi baperezida bayoboye igihugu cya Tanzania batanu nta n'umwe wigeze atsindira ku manota ari hejuru ya Madamu Samia Suluhu Hassan. Mu banyatanzania miliyoni 37 bari biyandikishije kuzatora, miliyoni 31 nibo batoye Madamu Samia Suluhu Hassan nk'uko bitangazwa na komisiyo y'amatora mu gihugu cya Tanzania, INEC. Iyi komisiyo y'amatora kandi ikomeza itangaza ko abangana na 87% aribo bitabiriye amatora. Kandi imijyi irimo nka Dar es Salaam ikaba yarafatiwe ibyemezo byaguma mu rugo kuva saa 12 za nimugoroba kugera saa 2 za mu gitondo. Turebere hamwe ariko Madamu Samia Suluhu Hassan ubusanzwe ni muntu ki? Samia Suluhu Hassan yavutse mu mwaka w'1960. Aza kubona amahirwe yo kuba perezida wa gatandatu w'igihugu cya Tanzania. Akaba akomoka muri Zanzibar. Akaba ari perezida wa kabiri ukomoka mu gihugu cya Zanzibar, aho uwa mbere yari Ali Hassan Mwinyi. Akaba yarayoboye igihugu cya Tanzania imyaka 10 kuva mu mwaka w'1985 kugera mu mwaka w'1995. Samia Suluhu Hassan akaba ari umugore wize amashuri menshi cyane kuko afite diplome yakuye mu kaminuza ya Manchester mu Bwongereza. Kandi yabonye amahirwe yo kwiga muri kaminuza ya New Hampshire biciye mu bufatanye na kaminuza Open University yo muri Tanzania. Mu mwaka w'1988 Samia Suluhu Hassan yabaye umukozi ushinzwe iterambere muri Zanzibar. Samia Suluhu Hassan kandi akaba yarabaye umuyobozi w'umuryango udaharanira inyungu wita ku mirire PAM muri Zanzibar. Mu mwaka w'1990 yahawe kuyobora imiryango mpuzamahanga yose yakoreraga muri Zanzibar. Mu mwaka w'2000 Samia Suluhu Hassan yashyizwe mu nama ishinzwe amategeko y'igihugu ya Zanzibar biciye mu ishyaka Chama cha Mapinduzi cyangwa CCM. Bityo agirwa minisitiri ushinzwe urubyiruko, abagore n'abana mu gihugu cya Zanzibar. Ari minisitiri icyo gihe akaba yarakuyeho itegeko ryabuzaga abakobwa babyariye iwabo gusubira mu mashuri. Mu mwaka wa 2005 yatorewe kuba minisitiri ushinzwe ubukerarugendo ndetse n'ubucuruzi. Mu mwaka wa 2021 Madamu Samia Suluhu Hassan akaba yaragiye ku butegetsi bwa Tanzania nyuma y'urupfu rwa Perezida John Pombe Magufuli. Akaba yari icyegera cya Perezida John Pombe Magufuli kuva mu mwaka wa 2015, bityo byatumye aba umugore wa mbere uyoboye Tanzania mu mateka yayo. Urugendo rwa Samia Suluhu Hassan muri politike rwatangiye kera, ariko gutsindira kuyobora amatora mu mwaka wa 2025 bikaba byabaye intambwe idasanzwe, bimugira umugore wa mbere utsindiye kuyobora igihugu mu gihugu cye ndetse no mu karere ka Afurika y'Uburasirazuba. Abanyatanzania benshi bakaba baramenye Madame Samia Suluhu Hassan mu mwaka wa 2014 ubwo yatorerwa kungiriza umuyobozi w'inteko nshinga amategeko. President Samia Suluhu Hassan has been declared the winner of Tanzania's presidential election, securing another term amid days of unrest across the country. Samia Suluhu Hassan won by 98% of the vote in Wednesday poll, the Electoral Commission said. In her Saturday victory speech, she said the election was free and democratic, accusing protesters of being unpatriotic. Opposition parties rejected the result, calling the vote a mockery of democracy process, as Samia's main challengers has been neither imprisoned or barred from running. International observers has expressed concern over the lack of transparency and widespread turmoil that has reportedly left hundreds of people dead and injured. The nationwide internet shutdown is making it difficult to verify the death toll. The government has sought to pray down the scale of violence, and authorities have extended a curfew in a bid of quell to unrest. Receiving her victory certificate on Saturday, Samia Suluhu Hassan, who is 65, said, "We thank the security forces for ensuring that the violence did not stop voting. The government strongly condemned the violent incidents. These incidents were not patriotic at all," she said. Early on Saturday, Electoral Commission Chief Jacobs Mwambegele declared Samia the winner of presidential election. Samia secured about 31.9 million votes, or 97.26% of total, with nearly 87% of the country, which is 37.6 million registered voters, the electoral chief said. The oppositions in Zanzibar said there had been massive fraud, the AP news agency reported. No protests were reported on Saturday morning, but tension remained high in Dar es Salaam, where security forces manned roadblocks across the city. The demonstrations are mostly led by young protesters who have denounced the election as unfair. They accuse the government of undermining democracy by suppressing the main opposition because one is in jail and another one was disqualified. Thank you for your time. You can read more about this information on BBC. Byinshi wabisoma ku rubuga rwa bbc.com. Wakoze kubana nanjye, niwe kandi like na subscribe, urakoze, ugire ibihe byiza.